The next example we're going to look at today, gang, is the square root of a rational perfect square. And rational perfect square just simply means they are fractions. And there's nothing scary about these. The only thing you have to remember is to look at this little check mark thingy and remember that is the square root. And I'm looking for a number times itself. So let's look. Is there a number times itself that gives you 27? Well, off the top of my head, all I can think of are 9 and 3. And that doesn't give me 27. And down here, the only thing I can think of is 6 and 2, which is tricky because we're looking for a number times itself, not a number divided by 2. And so we don't have it yet. But what we can do is simplify the fraction. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do. So make sure you get this step down. We're going to simplify the fraction. If my I will dot properly, there we go. Simplify the fraction. And then we're going to find the square root. Of the numerator and denominator. So we'll actually take the square roots at the top and the bottom. So if we reduce this, we can reduce 27 and 12 both by 3. So we're going to reduce this to get 9 over 4. Now I have two perfect squares. Okay, so this means that I can find the square root of 9 over 4 now. And when I'm finding the square root of a number, especially rational numbers, because it's the square root of 9/4, I need to find the square root of 9 over the square root of 4. And so I need to think, what number multiplied by itself gives me 9? Well, the square root of 9 I know is 3, and the square root of 4 is 2. And that's how you find the square root of a rational number. Simplify the fraction and find the square root of the numerator and the denominator. Okay, and remember, think what number times itself. We'll even add that at the top. Think what number times itself. Alright, there we go, gang. Simplify, find the square root.